Veggie Power. Why eating veggies is awesome! Vegetables are like magic foods that make us strong and happy. Let's discover why munching on veggies is so cool. Super strong. Veggies are like little heroes packed with vitamins and stuff that make our bodies strong and ready for action. Happy tummies. Eating veggies helps our tummies feel good and keeps our insides working smoothly. They make sure everything stays happy and comfy in there. Bright eyes. Some veggies, like carrots and spinach, are like magic potions for our eyes. They have special stuff that helps us see better and keep our eyes healthy and shiny. Defender veggies. Veggies have secret powers called antioxidants that protect us from getting sick. They're like shields that keep us safe from yucky germs and bugs. Strong bones. Veggies, like broccoli and kale, have special things that make our bones super strong. They're like builders that make sure our skeleton stays tough and sturdy. Happy vibes. When we eat veggies, we feel like superheroes. They give us lots of energy to play, learn, and have fun all day long. So, let's be veggie heroes and munch on these awesome foods every day. With veggies on our plate, we're ready for any adventure that comes our way.